Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines, and today I will be reviewing the Singer Model 15 sewing machine. Okay, this is a pretty vintage machine. It has quite interesting features, and the fact that it's a vintage machine made in the 1920s and still very strong, sews through different fabric types including the leather, the lycra spandex, and heavy padded fabrics. Okay, I got my hand on the machine and I've been excited ever since. Okay, the machine is a very strong machine at that, and I would recommend it for anyone that is into simplicity, neatness, seam finish, and also wants to have a perfect sewing. Okay, so I'll quickly run through the features of the machines, showing you how to thread the machine, how to wind the bobbin, and also how to remove and replace the bobbin, and also the shuttle mechanism. Okay, firstly, it has a thread stand. Of course, right here you have the tension. Okay, right here you have the stitch length regulator. Okay, and the more you wind it out, the stitch length reduces. Okay, it has this turning stitch length regulator. Okay, over here is the bobbin winder. Alright, I'll show you that in a moment, how to go about that. It uses an electric motor. I actually removed the motor, but for the purpose of this video, I will be using the treadle. Okay, now it uses the Singer bobbin. Okay, this is the metal one, and this is the plastic ones. Okay, now it's a drop-in bobbin mechanism. Okay, meaning that you actually have to just drop the bobbin inside. Now if you look closely, there's a small knob here in case you want to remove the bobbin. You just press this and the bobbin pops up. Okay, see that? So when you press this, it pops up and you can easily remove the bobbin. Now it has a shuttle mechanism, Singer shuttle mechanism, which you can easily work on. You just have to pull this up right here and remove the shuttle. Alright, so see that? You just move this thing here up, and this is the Singer shuttle. Alright, so when you replace that back, sorry. Alright, so that's it. Replace the shuttle back. Then if you want to place the bobbin back through the shuttle, make sure that the thread is coming through the left hand side. Alright, so you just drop it in. Now there are two marks on the shuttle. There's a first one opening and the second opening. So what you just do is simply pass the thread through the first one and it comes out through the second one. Okay, there you have it, and it turns like that. Alright, so you just replace back the plate and you sew, you do your sewing. Alright, so I'll quickly run through how to wind the bobbin in a moment. Okay, winding the bobbin is quite easy because I know most tailors, they prefer to use the wheel in winding the bobbin. Okay, but I will show you how to use the bobbin winder effectively in winding your bobbin. Alright, so firstly you put your thread on the thread stand and you make sure that it goes through this opening here. Like I always do, I try to make it more like a inner and outer movement of the thread. Then it passes through this place here. If you look closely in the machine, there's a small hook here. Passes through this hook, passes through this one. Then you wound your thread on the bobbin. Alright, so you make sure you get that, and put that in. Alright, so when you bring it down, alright, and you want to sew, so see the way it's moving. This lever moves up and down, and okay, so there you have it. That's how you wind your bobbin, and I'll walk you through how to thread the machine. Quite easy and simple. Okay, also from the thread stand and threading the machine, you just make sure you raise the footer up, passes through this tension plate, and it passes through here, which is the thread carrier. I usually call it that. Then there's a side hoop here, and voila, you thread from left to right. Okay, thread the needle from left to right. All right. Okay guys, I already threaded the needle, so that's a wide stitch length. Okay, that's the back, and you have the front. Okay, now I want to reduce the stitch length. I just come over here and I just loosen this a bit, and the stitch length becomes quite reduced. Alright, so there you have it, a much more reduced stitch length. And I want to double the fabric. Alright, so I think 4 layers of chain. So I'm going to increase the stitch length. Alright, so there you have it guys, 4 layers, soft. There you have it, that's the back. Alright, so you know, the machine uses different type of needle, including the HA, the DB, and the DP needle. So if you're sewing a much thicker fabric, you need to change needle size, leathers, and a whole lot of thicker fabric. You should use a size 20 needle, depending on what you want to do. But this right here is a size 16 needle, so I can actually use it on folds of leather. So I want to make it 8 layers of denim, so you can see the strength of the machine. Alright, so alright, so guys, that's like 8 layers of denim, and it's still sewing it with ease, no breaking in the thread and all that. So alright guys, I want to say the Singer Model 15 sewing machine, it's a pretty strong machine, and if you have your hand on it, if you get your hand on it, it's something that you would truly enjoy, especially with it knits in it and sewing, and also the fact that it has a perfect seam finish. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.